Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Garmin Forerunner 570, a powerful new running watch built for athletes who want accuracy, endurance, and smarter training tools. It features a vivid AMOLED display, multi-band GPS, wrist-based running metrics, advanced recovery insights, and a battery that keeps going for days. Whether you're training for a race or improving your daily runs, it delivers the data and performance you need to push further. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Forerunner 570 GPS running watch, charging cable, and documentation pamphlets. Technical specifications. Meet the Garmin Forerunner 570, built with a fiber-reinforced polymer case, Gorilla Glass 3 or AMOLED-optimized lens, and a lightweight silicone strap for comfort. Its 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen delivers 390 by 390 pixels with always-on clarity, while the 45mm 50-gram case fits wrists from 126 to 208 millimeters. Inside, a Garmin Performance chipset ensures smooth operation, with 8 to 16 gigabytes of storage for workouts, music, and apps. Health tracking covers heart rate, SpO2, sleep, body battery, stress, VO2 max, HRV, respiration, women's health, and recovery, supported by sensors like wrist heart rate, pulse ox, barometric altimeter, compass, gyroscope, accelerometer, thermometer, and ambient light. With 5 ATM water resistance, it's ready for running, cycling, gym, and multi-sport training. Battery lasts 12 to 14 days in smartwatch mode, up to 28 hours with GPS, and 24 hours with all GNSS systems. Connectivity includes Bluetooth, Anti+, Wi-Fi, Garmin Pay, and Connect IQ. Control is easy with a touchscreen and 5 buttons, plus vibration alerts, music control, and optional call support. Garmin OS integrates with Connect, Coach, and performance metrics, while incident detection, live tracking, and quick-release bands make it safe, versatile, and stylish. Product features. The Forerunner 570 uses advanced multi-band GPS to deliver precise location tracking, even in challenging environments like city streets or dense forests. This ensures every run, ride, or hike is logged with reliable distance, pace, and route data, helping you train smarter. It monitors heart rate, SpO2, sleep, body battery, stress, VO2, max, HRV, and more. With recovery insights and women's health tracking, it gives a complete picture of your fitness and helps you optimize performance and rest. A bright 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen makes data easy to read in sunlight, while the 45mm 50-gram design with a silicone strap keeps it comfortable for all-day wear. Whether running, cycling, or training, it feels light and responsive on the wrist. With up to 12 to 14 days in smartwatch mode and up to 28 hours in GPS mode, the Forerunner 570 keeps up with long training sessions and adventures. Its 5 ATM water resistance ensures it's ready for swimming, sweat, or rain. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. On the Garmin Forerunner 570, the left side buttons handle lighting up the screen, opening notifications, scrolling through menus, and accessing the main or music controls with different press and hold actions. The right side buttons let you open the activity menu, select options, start or stop workouts, and go back or record laps during training. Each button is designed to give quick, precise navigation so you can control the watch efficiently during both daily use and workouts. Using the touchscreen on your Garmin Forerunner 570 is simple. Just tap to select any option in a menu, and hold your finger on the screen to open the menu for more controls. And when you need to enable or disable the touchscreen, just hold the light button with the start button or hold the light button alone to access the touchscreen icon. You can also hold the light button, go to watch settings, then display and brightness, tap on touch, and choose the setting you want. Wearing the watch. Get the perfect fit for all-day comfort. To remove the strap, press the quick release pin and slide it out. Repeat on the other side. To attach a new strap, align it with the lug, press the pin, and lock it in place. Ensure both sides are secure and your watch is ready to wear. Place the watch comfortably on your wrist, ensuring the back sensors make full contact with your skin. Adjust the strap for a snug, but not tight fit, so it stays in place during daily activities and accurately tracks your health metrics. How to pair. To pair your Garmin Forerunner 570 with your phone, first ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Then install the Garmin Connect app from the App Store or Google Play, and log in or create an account. Turn on the watch by pressing and holding the light button, then follow the initial setup prompts, including language and time. When prompted to pair the phone, select Yes. The watch will display a QR code. Open Garmin Connect on your phone, scan the code, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Once connected, the watch and phone will sync, allowing you to configure additional preferences such as wrist orientation and notifications. If pairing fails, restart both devices, remove any previous pairings, keep the devices close together, and make sure both the app and watch firmware are up to date. How to charge. Connect the USB end of the charging cable to a power source and attach the charging clip to the watch's back, aligning the contacts. The watch will display a charging icon when charging begins. For best battery health, charge when low and avoid leaving it plugged in at 100% for long periods. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Press and hold the light button for 15 to 20 seconds until the watch powers off. Release the button, then press it again to turn the watch back on. This forces a restart but does not erase data unless a factory reset is selected in settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Garmin Connect app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The Forerunner 570 features a fiber-reinforced polymer case with a Gorilla Glass 3 or AMOLED-optimized lens and a silicone strap for lightweight durability. The Forerunner 265, on the other hand, offers a similar polymer build but adds slightly refined finishes and improved ergonomics for everyday wear and extended training sessions. Display and sizes. The 570 has a 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen with 390 by 390 pixels, designed for outdoor visibility. The 265 comes with a slightly larger 1.3-inch AMOLED display, 416 by 416 pixels, offering higher brightness and crisper visuals, while both maintain lightweight, wrist-friendly designs. Battery and storage. The Forerunner 570 provides up to 12 to 14 days in smartwatch mode and up to 28 hours in GPS mode, with 8 to 16 gigabytes storage for workouts and music. The 265 improves slightly on endurance, with up to 13 to 15 days in smartwatch mode, 30 hours in GPS, and similar storage, ensuring longer tracking without frequent charging. Pros and cons. The Garmin Forerunner 570 delivers a powerful blend of comfort, accuracy, and training performance. Its bright AMOLED display is easy to read anywhere, and the multi-band GPS keeps your pace and routes incredibly precise. The watch stays lightweight on the wrist, while Garmin's advanced health tracking gives you everything from heart rate and SpO2 to sleep stress, HRV, VO2 max, and detailed recovery insights. You also get smooth navigation, reliable performance, and even music and call support on select models. But battery life can drop quickly with heavy use, and the watch still lacks features like offline maps and ECG. Smartwatch functions are limited compared to Apple or Samsung, and for some users, the upgrades may feel minor for the price. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.